Hey there world, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got another cool little tip that you can use with your A10 printer. So friends, you can see here the A10 is working on a really cool octopus, but what I wanted to share with you is this little design that I created that I use to help remember which way the bed is going to go when I turn the dials. And for some of you, the righty-tighty makes total sense, but when I first started, I always had a hard time with left was going to raise it, right was going to lower the bed. So I have designed this little part. I will put a link to it on Thingiverse. When you put it on, I designed it pretty snug. I had to use this to pull down the little tabs so that it could fit. If you wanted to scale it up just a little, it'd probably be a loose fit. But right now it is pretty snug, which is how I wanted it. You can see it doesn't obstruct anything, but it holds itself in place, and it's just a friendly reminder when you're getting your bed level to make your awesome prints. Hope you're having as much fun with your GE Tech A10 as I am. If you haven't snagged yours yet, I'll have a link in the post and a coupon that lets you get it a little cheaper. And of course, friends, if you like the movie, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Also, if you have a question or a comment, please feel free to add it below. Thanks for watching, friends, and have a great day.